So I'm just gonna put some rust converter over it right now. And I got some serious stuff for it. Look at this. I got it in a small jar right now. And I'm gonna put it all over. Everywhere. Especially here on this, on the sides. Look at this, guys. It's eating the rust already. I can hear it and smell it. Alright, I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna try to clean it, paint it a little bit, put the seat back in, and this truck is ready to roll. And that's how it looks like after a few days, guys. Just gonna wire brush it, clean it and paint it. After wire brush, guys, I blow it. I know it's still rust, but I got the primer on rust, so I'm gonna spray this thing. I'm gonna tape around, spray it, and we're good to go. What you guys think? Good protection? That's what I got. Rusty metal primer and a black flat. All over the rust, fellas. Hide the one coat. Whew. Let me open the door. There's one spot here. Now I wait a few minutes, second coat, maybe third, and then I'm going with the flat black. It's dry, so second coat. Rusty metal primer. We wait again. It's time for black. Covering it nicely. one coat. I'm gonna do second coat and I'm going home. I'm gonna bring the seat maybe tomorrow. We'll see. It was rusty as hell. Now it's black. All right. I'm gonna take the papers from all around and finito, fellas. Adios.